Hallo, heute sind wir im Loro-Park.
You know, one of our responsibilities with working with the killer whales is maintaining their health, and we also have their dental health as well. The killer whale's teeth are different than other animals. They're very sharp, very pointed, but they're not that strong because they're biting into flesh. So they're not a hard enamel, and sometimes that enamel can get worn down or has a cavity, a little hole in there. And so what we do is we're able to monitor the tooth with a laser thermometer, and we could actually take the temperature of each tooth, and if there's a problem in a tooth, it's usually a little bit warmer, and then we can go in our maintenance mode. And what we'll do if there's ever a problem, and what we do every day to prevent the problem, is that we have a dental solution under pressure like a water pick, and we actually clean their teeth and make sure that there's no bacteria build up or any bits of fish that could get stuck into their mouth. So every day, actually twice a day, we clean their teeth. And that helps them overall in their health care. We get a lot of questions about killer whale's dorsal fins, and some are very straight and tall, and some have bent over, and some have completely bent over. And from what we understand about the dorsal fin, it's really a heat regulator. And if you take a laser thermometer to it, you'll get a different temperature of that dorsal fin than you would the rest of the body, because they're either taking in heat or dispersing heat with the dorsal fin. And there's no bones in that area of the body. It's made out of fibrous connective tissue. And as it grows tall, gravity can take over, and it actually can tip it because there's no bone structure to hold it together. So it does tip over, and some have completely collapsed. And as we look at the animals and take care of them, we notice that it doesn't have any effect on them whatsoever. They're still able to thermoregulate with their dorsal fin even as over. And it's not just happening here. We have two male killer whales, large dorsal fins, and Ketos is almost all the way over. But also there's orcas in the wild that we've seen that have the same scenario with this dorsal fin that tips over. So it's not necessarily a human care issue, it's just a killer whale issue. And typically males are bigger, you know, their sexual dimorphism they're much bigger than the females, and that makes a taller dorsal fin. The taller dorsal fin has the more ability to waver and to fall over, but it has absolutely no effect on their health at all.
Jetzt den Kanal abonnieren, um kein neues Video mehr zu verpassen. Und schaut doch mal in unseren Playlists nach, da findet ihr noch viel mehr über Orcas.